Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Galaxy A71 has just got the much awaited One UI 2.5 update, and in this video, I am going to tell you what's new and what's improved. So before we begin, please subscribe, press the bell icon and like this video if you find it useful. Alright, I got this update of about 1 GB earlier today, and as you can see on the screen, this update brings the October 1 security patch. The changelog tells us about the new Wi-Fi features. The Wi-Fi now tells you about the quality of the network prior to the connection. There is a new Wi-Fi password request feature here. If someone from your contacts is nearby and has connected to a Wi-Fi router around you, you will get a request Wi-Fi password button on the screen, and the request will appear on the screen of the person who is already connected to that router. The update further brings support for the Bitmoji stickers on the always on display screen. In the Samsung keyboard, a new feature has been added which allows the users to search on the YouTube app as well. When I reviewed the Note 20 Ultra, I talked about its split keyboard, and that feature is finally available for the Samsung Galaxy A71 too. It is now easier to find the input languages because of the new updated keyboard settings page. Samsung has further improved the camera quality and stability. There are no new features in the camera application. The update also improves the overall performance of the Galaxy A71, but I could not find any significant improvement in the benchmark scores of this phone. I mean, last time when we updated this phone to the One UI 2.1, there was a significant improvement in the performance department, and that reflected in the benchmark scores as well. But this time, it's different. Everything looked the same to me. Arrival of the One UI 2.5 for the Galaxy A71 shows us how keen Samsung is to keep this device up and running for a long run. A71 will definitely go all the way up to Android 13, and these consistent small updates are making this device even better. I expected Samsung to give us the Video Pro mode, or at least the 1080p at 60 frames per second video recording mode, because the phones of other brands with the same hardware setup and even with the same camera sensors are giving us all these features. But Samsung is nowhere to be seen. Let's hope we get some new meaningful features with the upcoming One UI updates. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section below. If you loved this video, please subscribe, and if you found it useful, press the thumbs up button too. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next video.